Hello, I'm Coach Lauderdale and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to practice doing some of the most commonly used yoga poses on the ground as we focus on our breath as we inhale and exhale out, so then we can calm our mind. Because there are a lot of poses in yoga, I created two videos. Part 1, which is right here, and I'll make it a little bit bigger, covers the fundamental floor poses facing down, and part 2, which is this video, focuses on the fundamental floor poses in yoga facing up with our backs towards the ground. So if you missed part 1, don't worry about it. At the end of this video, I will leave a link so you can practice those poses as well. So as you practice the different types of yoga poses, you'll come to realize that they are named after animals and different objects of the world. And if you're ready, you can go ahead and take a seat and crisscross applesauce, or in yoga, it is called the seated cross-legged position. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below so I can create some more content for you. You can close your eyes. We're going to do 2 cycles of breathing. So take a deep breath in and exhale out. Inhale in and exhale out. And we'll say namaste in 1, 2, and 3. Namaste. So the first pose that we're going to do is the reverse tabletop. So you'll sit on your bottom, slide your hands behind you with your knees bent. So now your hands are going to be under your shoulders and your feet are going to be under your knees. And then you'll just lift your hips up and then drop your head back. And make sure that you just relax your neck, just look up high over your head. So you can tell I'm not that flexible in my shoulders. So this is a good stretch for me. Probably need to do this more often. You can also spread your feet a little bit more. And you can relax at any time and come out. Whew. All right, come on, loosen up your shoulders. All right, so that was the reverse table. Now we're going to do the camel pose. So from the camel pose, you're going to start on your knees. And what you'll do is you'll lean back, and as you lean back, you're going to pop your chest up. And then you can hold either your feet, or you can hold your ankles, or you just want to put an arch in your back like a bow. And relax. And come down. All right, from here we're going to move into a bridge pose. So we're going to lay down onto the ground. And bend your knees. And then you're going to come up. And 3, 2, and 1. So you can either keep your hands onto the ground, or you can interlock your fingers together as they stay onto the ground. Just take a deep breath in. Exhale out. And you may feel some tightness around your hamstrings. Your hamstrings are the muscles on the back part of your thigh, right here. Then exhale, come down. And relax. So right now your body should feel nice and warm. Probably feel relaxed. You probably want to stay right here. But we have a couple more poses to do. And now we're going to go into wheel pose. So the wheel pose is similar to the bridge pose, except you're going to turn your body into a wheel instead of a nice straight bridge. So you just have your hands. You're going to imagine that they're going over a wheel, and you're going to plant them alongside your head. And then it's easier if you don't have on socks, so you don't slip. But I'll see if I'll be able to get up. What you'll do is you'll extend your arms and your legs at the same time. And come up in 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so I'm going to come back to that because I'm going to take off my socks. And then that's going to help me get into that pose a little bit easier. We want to do knees to chest. So you're going to pull your knees to your chest, and you can either have your hands on either leg. You can hug your knees. So either way. Or you can interlock your fingers together. And then just rock back and forth. Kind of massaging your back. You can also rock forwards and backwards. So you can wake your body up a little bit. And then see if you can rock yourself all the way up. And then just relax all the way down. Take a deep breath in. And now we're going to move into Happy Baby. So in Happy Baby, you're going to imagine that you're putting your feet on the ceiling. And you can either have your hands go around your legs and hold your feet. You can hold your toes, or for a deeper stretch, you can have your hands go through your legs and wrap around. This is the way that I prefer. And then you can rock from side to side like a happy baby. And to stretch your lower back. And stretch your adductors, muscles between your legs. And also you can massage your back as well. You can also rock forward and backwards a little bit. Kind of like your Spider-Man. Then relax. And you can lay your head onto the ground. Enjoy the stretch. And then release. Place your feet back onto the ground. From here, we're going to do a shoulder stance. And after we do the shoulder stance, we're going to move into a plow. So go ahead and move onto the far side of your mat. And to get into plow, what you're going to do is you're going to rock yourself back, plant your elbows onto the ground, and as your shoulders touch the ground, you're going to pop your hips up and catch your hips with your hands. Then after you catch yourself, you can have your knees bent, but try to straighten your legs if you can. Just got the shoulder stance. And then from here, you can bend your knees. We're going to move into a plow. And then just extend your legs over your head. And see if you can have your toes to touch the ground. If you're having difficulty, you can just use your hands to gently push your hips over. And then you should feel a stretch in your lower back and your middle back. And if you're able to get your feet onto the ground, you can spread your elbows out. And then you can just relax your hands. You can walk your feet to one side and to the other. And if you enjoy the stretch, you can stay right here. You can see if you can bend, put your knees onto the ground. And then just relax and roll out. Again, good job. All right, and the final pose that we're going to do is the corpse pose. So what you do is you just lay onto the ground. With as many parts of your body touching the ground as possible. And then close your eyes. And this is called corpse. Just take a deep breath in. And exhale out. And just relax your hands. Muscles of your face. Relax your eyes. Right now, just massage your fingertips together. Wiggle your toes. And wiggle your body. Then you can come on up. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my socks. Before I forget to show you how to do the wheel pose. Hopefully I have enough traction to get up, but we'll see. And this is wheel pose. Oof. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I was able to teach you the basic floor poses in yoga. And from these floor poses are going to be many more things that you can do. As you continue your journey in yoga, you'll learn different variations of floor poses. So just like on today, some poses may have been difficult, whereas some were easy. But the more and more that you practice, the more your body will adapt and it will change so that it can become more flexible, strong, and as a result, it will get easier. So just keep up the good work. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. You can also share, leave some comments down below, like what were your favorite poses, and what did you have difficulty with doing. And we're going to end this video with a namaste. In 3, 2, and 1. Namaste.